So in the real world, when we move, we use our body to walk. When we touch objects, we actually use our hands and our whole body. Now, one way for virtual reality is to try to create all these devices, external devices that replicate it. But maybe the easier way is to connect the virtual reality directly to the brain. So we will just be imagining ourselves and our body and our hands walking in a street, or imagining ourselves touching objects and moving them. And by that imagination, we will operate the virtual environment. So what happens is that in brain-computer interface in general, we place electrodes on people's heads, and we measure specific patterns. And in real time, the software analyzes these EEG patterns. And if this is done in real time, this can be used to control a computer. This is what our partners from Graz have the expertise for many, many years. What we've done in this project is to connect this with the virtual reality. So in this specific experiment, we place people in the virtual street, and they have to control it with their EEG. So in this case, they are trained to think about their right hand or about their feet, and they're supposed to use these for navigation. Now, the way it works is that when they are in the street, every few seconds they get a trigger. They hear a beep sound, either one beep or two beeps. Depending on the type of the trigger, they are either allowed to move forward or they are told to stop. So when the people are imagining their right hand, a specific area in the motor area in the left hemisphere is more active, and we can detect this pattern. And the same for feet. This way we can use the measurement of how far they got down the street as a measurement of how accurate they were and able to control the computer using their EEG and their thoughts. In the first experiment, we told people what they are supposed to think. This was necessary because we wanted to measure their success. After we proved it's possible, now we can go to a next phase in which we allow people to freely explore the virtual reality without us telling them what to think. We can then evaluate their success, and we can ask them about their experience.